Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you what I got from Missguided. I went on there because I was looking for a black simple dress, and let me tell you something, I saw things that I just fell in love with, and then I saw things that I thought, oh, let me try that. If you had seen my previous videos, I kind of want to switch my style up a little bit. I wanted to try new things, and when I saw these things on Missguided, I was like, oh my god, let me just buy them, try them on and see if I like them. To be completely honest with you guys, when I bought them I was like, I'm probably not gonna like them, but let me tell you something, I fell in love. I've fallen in love with some outfits that I got, so I'm just gonna show them to you guys. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribing button. I upload videos on Saturdays at 6 p.m. Also follow me on my Instagram. I also post over there, and I actually do quite a few Insta stories as well. So let me show you the first thing I got, guys, okay? Alright, so the first thing I got is this outfit. Now, when I saw this reminded me of, you know, Yeezy. Kanye West has come out with Yeezy season 2, and when I saw it, it's all over Instagram. When I saw it I was like, okay, it looks cool, but I don't know if it's my style, and I didn't know if I would want to spend that much money buying Yeezy if I'm not gonna like it. So when I saw this on Missguided, I thought I really want to try it. It's a dark grey and a light grey. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like this. I've got the prices on here, so I can tell you guys the exact price, how much I paid. So this top was £6, and I thought it's a bargain. It was £6. I was like, I probably may not like it, but let me get it and try it on, because I've never really worn something like this before. So I thought, let me just get it and try it on. What is that noise? What's that noise? Okay, it's gone. It's loud. So anyways, I got this top and I thought, let me get it and try it on and just see how it's going to look. But I also got the shorts. These are the shorts that I got with it, and when I saw them I was like, I'm not sure. The only thing I regret is I wish they had these in the longer versions, because if they had this in the longer version, I'll definitely keep this set because it looks really nice on and so trendy. I don't know where I'd wear it. I'd probably wear it somewhere like Shoreditch if I went out, maybe in the evening, but with the shorts I don't know if I'm gonna wear this out, because I just feel a little bit, I feel like it's out of my comfort zone, and I don't know if I'm brave enough to wear it out. So the shorts were £12. So the first outfit, I've paired these two together, and these shorts I got them in size 4. Now let me tell you something, these were they were sold out. All sizes were sold out. The only size that was available was a size 4. So I got them, and I thought they're gonna be tight anyways, but let me tell you something, it's a little bit tight. If I had a choice, if they still had it online, I'll probably go for a size 8. But this is a size 4, it was tight. I feel like size 6 would have been okay, but size 8 would have been perfect. So these are the shorts, and I paired them with the round top first. And I really liked the look. But I just felt like it was too revealing. And so anyways, so I tried those on. So I went ahead and paired it with this really nice long cardi that I have, because I thought that's how I'd probably wear it with some glasses. It looked so nice. I just fell in love with it. It looked so nice paired together. Another thing I got with it was this really nice oversized jumper. Also it came with it. So I had the choice either of this top or the jumper. I'm in love with this jumper. It's so soft. Oh, this is 100% cotton. that actually explains the softness of it. Quality wise, the quality is good. I'm really impressed. Quality is good. Size is true to size. Either stick to your size, or if you do want it to just look a little bit tight, just do what I did and just buy smaller sizes. But I only did that because they didn't have my sizes available. The top, it's because it's already oversized anyways. They did have a 6, but I just went for an 8, and as you can see, it's very baggy, but I love how it looks on. It looks very nice on. This oversized sweatshirt was £22. That's a bargain, guys. These two, I fell in love with them. I loved them. So the other thing I picked up was this dress, and I saw it and I thought, oh, that could look nice with a nice pair of boots, like knee-high boots. That would look really nice, but I wasn't sure if I would like it or how it would fit my body. I like my things to be bodycon because I am I'm curvy. I'll describe myself as petite, curvy. So this, I feel like it doesn't show all my curves, but if you need just a nice simple outfit to go out in and it's affordable, this will definitely work. And this dress was £18, guys. £18 bargain. The other dress I got was the same dress as the grey one, but I got it in this color. It's sort of like a pink, I can't explain it. It's very like pink color, but it's like a dark pink. I don't know, guys, I'm getting this color so wrong. But anyway, so this is it again. It's in this color, exactly same size. Let me just double check it. Yes, exactly the same size as the grey one. The only thing is, I sort of thought this color would suit me better than the grey, but when I tried them on, I really prefer the grey other than this. So yeah, but the fitting is the same. The only thing that doesn't look good, I guess they didn't get the measurements quite right, it's around here. So it doesn't really fit around the armpit, but I guess you can make it work. You can put an oversized coat over it and make it look nice. I actually just had a look online to see whether they still have them in store, because I want to link them in this in my description box down below, and I can't seem to find them. So I don't know whether they're sold out. I don't know. I need to have a look at this website properly. I just feel like their website is nice to shop, but I don't understand. I just can't find anything like now. I just went on there. I can't find anything. But anyways, I'm going to try and link everything down below for you guys. So another thing I tried on was, this is actually the black dress that I wanted to get. It's a dip v-neck. Very nice. It's a long dress. It's quite long. And oh my god, let me tell you guys, I got this, opened it, and I was like, all right, you know, the shape is nice. How much was it? Let me have a look for you guys. This was £18, so I thought, you know, for £18, let me see if I'm gonna get my money's worth with this dress. Guys, as you can see, it's absolutely stunning on. It's gorgeous. And I feel like you can wear this for a date night and just feel $1 million. You just have to dress it up with some nice heels, a nice bag, and a really nice oversized coat, and this would look so nice. This was, wait, what size did I get it in? I got it in a size 8, UK 8. Let me tell you the fabric for this dress, because it's something that I've started looking at actually. This is 100%, yeah, 100% polyester. It's alright, and I feel like the material is thick. One thing I worry about when, especially if I'm buying bodycon dresses, is that it's going to show all my love handles and bits, but this moves everything out. Obviously I did wear it with a shaper underneath. Hanger just dropped. I did wear it with a shaper underneath, but it's very nice. I was very impressed. The only thing that I didn't like about this dress is around the bra, like around this area, the material, the inside fabric, this fabric is sort of like showing through. So I really don't like that. I would have loved if that didn't show through. So what I'm going to do is take it to my tailor and see if they can just sew this part like really nice, or what I may do is buy another dress and see if that's better in terms of this part. But apart from that, this is a keeper. I'm definitely in love with it, So the other also dress that I wanted to try on was, it's a simple black dress with a straight front and a v-neck and a slit on the leg. So I saw it and I thought, let me try it on and see if actually this style would suit me, because I always intend to go for v-necks. I love v-necks. I think they look very, very flattering on me and my body shape, and yeah, I love v-necks. Anyways, let's try this other one. Let me show you. So this other dress I got was again, it's the black version of the other dress, and this also has a slit. This is a very, very nice long dress. Also the fabric, very good for your love handles. It looks stunning on. I did wear this with a shaper underneath just to give me a bit more curves. And this is, oh, no wonder why it feels very tight on. This is a UK 6 and this was £25. Do you know what? I'll have to say, I wish the v-neck dress was in this fabric, because I personally prefer this fabric. I felt like it looked better. It looks a little bit more expensive, what this dress is. A little bit more expensive. So it's alright. I mean, for 25 quid, it's nice. And if you like round neck, sort of like a nice round neck rather than a v-neck, this is very nice as well. I feel like you can also wear it in the daytime, whereas the one with the v-neck is very, very evening. Now, the next dress that I'm going to try on is, I fell in love with it. I fell in love with this dress. I've sort of seen people wear different versions of it on Instagram, and I was like, it looks nice, but I don't know how it would look on me. Let me tell you something. It's a keeper. I saw it. I tried it on. It's actually the first dress that I tried it on when I opened my package, and I was like, you know when you try on something and you just hold your breath for a second and you're like, yes, this is it. Let me show you. This dress, guys. Now, as you can see, I've rolled up the sleeves. I was trying it on. I rolled up the sleeves because the sleeves are so long, but they have a really nice detail here. Have a nice detail there. This dress, I got it in a size 6. I could tell that it's that stretchy material. If they had a size 4, I would have probably gone for a size 4 because I would have loved it even tighter. It's very, very nice on, very sexy. The length is very long. I feel like this would look nice with a nice strap high heels, nice strappy high heels, and just a nice simple bag. It's so nice. I love the fact that it has the V at the front and it also has the V at the back as well. Let me tell you something, with this dress I thought the material would be something that would show all the love handles and everything, but no, it actually smooths everything out. Again, with these dresses that I've tried on for you guys, I am wearing bodies underneath with them. So I'd say if you are going to go for this dress, I'd recommend either to go a size down or 2 sizes down. I went 2 sizes down because I really wanted it figure hugging. That's the look I wanted to have, and also you can tell from the website that this is a very stretchy material. But no, apart from that, this was actually, let me tell you how much this was. This was £60 and every penny was worth it. Every penny was worth it. The only thing about this dress that I'd say is the downfall is the sleeves that are too long, but I guess if you are a taller person, this one should be okay. I'm petite, I'm quite short, so maybe that's why the sleeves are very long on me. But apart from that, I'm very happy with the things that I got. I was very impressed. The only thing that annoyed me was I paid next day delivery, and I think because I bought them on Friday and I paid next day delivery, they did not arrive until Monday, which was so annoying because I was originally planning to film this video for it to be my Valentine's Day video, but they arrived late, so I had to film another video for you guys that you saw last week. But anyways, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you're wondering about the top that I'm wearing, it's from Zara. I'm going to link it down below, and I think it was like £15. I saw it, and I've never worn something like this before with like red and stuff. I saw it and I thought, oh, that's a cute top, so I got it. I'm gonna link it also down below. I'd like to say a big thank you to you guys. Thank you so much for watching and commenting on my videos. I really appreciate it. And also another thing I wanted to do was I want to do a Zara haul because they have really nice things in Zara at the moment. I mean, last year, their spring summer, they absolutely killed it. I loved like most of the things that they had, and it looks like this summer it's heading that way because some of the things they have in Zara are just amazing. Let me know if you'd like to see a Zara haul by commenting down below and also giving this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment guys, leave me a comment and tell me which one was your favorite outfit. Comment down below and let me know. Pictures of all these outfits are going to be on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. Pictures are going to be there. And yeah, that's it guys. If you have any websites, shops that you'd like me to try out next and give you my honest opinion, just let me know. Also leave that in the comments down below. I'd like to say a big thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.